Navi Planner allows you to create and display additional information not connected with the official chart and updating data. The map is shown as a transparent layer with map objects plotted onto it. This layer is superimposed on top of the principal chart information. A map can be loaded in layer A or B. It can be displayed and edited in the active layer only. These layers can also be switched using A/B buttons. To load the map, select the appropriate layer and press the TRANSAS button. Select the map. The name of the loaded map is shown above the ribbon. Note that only one map can be loaded for each layer. The map can also be loaded from the ribbon. Press Load button and select the map from the list. Note that one map cannot be loaded simultaneously in both layers. To unload the map, press the TRANSAS button. Uncheck the checkbox for the loaded map. A similar result can be obtained using the ribbon. The user can also unload the map by pressing the Unload Map button. To merge two maps, load them in layer A and layer B respectively. Layer B is active. Select the Merge button. All objects from the map loaded in layer A will be placed in the map loaded in active layer B. Maps from layer A and layer B are merged, and a new map is formed in the active layer. Save new map. To delete the map, unload it from the layer. Press the Delete button and select the map to be deleted. To export a map, press the Export button. Select the chart to export. Specify the destination path where the map will be exported, and press Export button. To import a map, press the TRANSAS button and select Import. Specify the path from where the map will be imported and press Import button. A similar result can be obtained using the ribbon. Press the Import button. To create and plot map objects, select the Objects tab. Maps may contain the following object categories: symbols, conventional signs of nautical charts from the symbol library; circles, various circles, lines and areas from the provided types; lines, lines and areas from the provided types; text, names and comments made by the operator in a special field; depths, digits entered by the operator and specifying depth in meters. Each object can be assigned its own attribute. Text is used to display other object identifiers, such as names and properties. Object information, additional information related to the object. Object color. Object depth is assigned to specify the depth of the object, which is taken into account as a safety criterion in Navi Planner. The map creation procedure consists of 3 stages: assigning attributes to the object, plotting the object, and assigning the file attribute attached file. To assign attributes to the selected object, enter the required information and select the color attribute. Then set the required depth value. To cancel all the attributes for each new object, check Clear in the New Object checkbox. To plot the point type object, press the Symbols button. Select the type of map symbol from the drop-down list. To plot the map object on the chart, press OK. The graphic cursor will appear on the chart panel. Position the cursor in the required coordinates and press the left trackball button. The object with the text and depth attributes will be set in the specified coordinates. Press the right trackball button to exit from the editing mode. In the ribbon, press the Find Object button. Information on the plotted map object will be displayed in the table. Select the object and double-click on the coordinates. The selected object will be displayed in the center of the chart panel. To plot the lines and areas, enter the required attributes and press the Lines button. Select the map object. To plot the selected map object on the chart, press OK. The graphic cursor will appear on the chart panel. To set lines, after plotting the initial point, move the cursor to the next point and left-click again. Repeat the procedure until you have set the required number of points. After inputting the last point of the line, press the right trackball button to exit from editing mode. The line object will be set in the specified coordinates. To plot the area, enter its attributes and select the area type object. To set the area, perform the same actions. After inputting the last point, press the right trackball button. The first and the last points will be automatically connected. Press Find Object button. Information on the plotted map object will be displayed in the table. Double-clicking on the point will display it in the center of the chart panel. To plot circles, press the button. Select the type of object and press OK. To draw circles, after plotting the central point, move the cursor to the necessary radius and left-click. The object will be set in the specified coordinates. Press the right trackball button to exit from editing mode. To plot the text object, press the Texts button. Type the required text in the input window. To plot the text object on the chart, press OK. Position the cursor in the required coordinates and press the left trackball button. The text object will be set in the specified coordinates. To plot the depth object, press the Depths button. Type the required distinctive depth value in the input window and press OK. Position the cursor in the required coordinates and press the left trackball button. The depth object will be set in the specified coordinates. Press Find Object. Information on the plotted map objects will be displayed in the table. Double-click on the selected object coordinates to display it in the center of the chart panel. To assign the attached file attribute, the selected object should be plotted on the chart. Press the Change button and select the item to be attached. Position the acquisition marker on the object and press the left trackball button. A table will be displayed listing all the files available for attaching. To create the list of files available for attaching, press Browse and select the file to be added to the list. To attach a file or group of files to the map object, select the file and press Attach. Apply changes. Right-click to exit from the editing mode. Move the cursor over the object with attached file and press the left trackball button. The context menu will appear. Click on the selected item to view the attached content. To detach a file or group of files, select the files and click Detach. The procedure for creating and plotting a map object is complete. To save the map, press the TRANSAS button and select Save from the drop-down menu. Enter the map name and any comments on the created map. Press Save. The map will be saved. A similar result can be obtained using the ribbon. Switch to the Home tab and press Save. To toggle the display of map objects and their attributes on and off, open the Settings window. Maps page. To display map object categories, press the buttons Symbols, Lines, Text, Depth, Circles, Text attribute, Depth attribute. Coloured. Select this option to turn on designated colour highlighting for all map objects. If the button is released, objects are shown in orange. Attachments. Select this option to turn on purple highlighting for objects with attached files.